Today I will show you the new Parkside heat gun. This is a cheap tool, is around $15, and I want to present the characteristics. It's a Parkside heat gun. The power consumption is 2000 watt and the temperature is 350 degrees or 600 degrees. The air volume is 330 liters per minute or 500 liters per minute, and the core power cable length is 4 meters, and have also included few accessories. Have a 3 years warranty. You can blow your grill, you can hit what you want. Let's open it. So this is the heat gun, what we have inside, and we have 4 accessories and also the manual. Who is reading the manual? Nobody, I think. So let's check the accessories. We have four pieces. This one is for grill, this and this, and this is to move your airflow, and the tool is like this. Have a simple, I think we don't need the accessories in this moment. Is the Parkside PHLG 2000 G5, is the new model. The quality is good, for this money is very good, and you have here one button with 2 positions, 0, 1 position and 2nd position. The first position is for 350 degrees, the 2nd position is for 600 degrees. And also I think we will do a small test. Let's put this on cable. The cable is very long, 4 meters I think is enough for all kind of stuff. And let's check the first position. 350 degrees. And let's check little the 2nd position, 600 degrees, and you see is red, very hot. Look, perfect. What I can say, I'm very happy with this tool because it's very cheap, it's very useful to have it in your garage, and who knows when you need a tool like this for give some hot air. Maybe you need to make a screw, maybe you need something for electrical side. For this money is a good choice. I don't think you can find another one more cheaper and more better. If you like my content, please subscribe and give me a like. This is the tool.